Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to explore the hardware and software requirements for installing SQL Server 2014. Open up your web browser and just enter SQL Server 2014 Express system requirements and do a search. You should get a list pop up like this. Just click on the first one here, click on this one, and it will open up a page. This is a detailed page of hardware and software requirements for installing SQL Server 2014. I'm not going to go through everything on this page. I'm just going to skip through and mention a few, but I do strongly advise that you take time to go through the page to make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements so you don't have any issues later during installation. So I'm just going to run through a few of the requirements, but please read through them. Okay, so this is a processor, memory, and operating system requirements. So memory, you need to have a minimum 512 and 1 gig is recommended. So if you go 1 gig, that should be fine. Also, you've got processor speed. So this is the minimum processor speed Microsoft has specified. So they recommend 2.0 gigahertz or faster. Processors type, this is what they have recommended. Please read through. Let's scroll down and see if we can find any more key thing I can point out to you. There are different brands of SQL Server, but the one we're interested in is the SQL Server Express Edition. So these are the operating system and server requirements that can accommodate the installation. So you need to have a minimum of Windows 7 Service Pack 1. Okay, that's the minimum. So if you've got anything less than Windows 7 Service Pack 1, you won't be able to install SQL Server 2014. There are lots of information here on this page, so feel free to read through and focus on the areas that concern your computer. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.